Good day everyone. So today let me teach you on how to clear the data of your application in any Android device. So in order to do that, just simply go to your settings, and then, by the way, the settings for your application depends on your cell phone. However, just simply look to apps. So just simply go over to apps and services, and then click apps, and then now you may now choose what application you want to clear the data. So let's say, for example, I am clearing the data of my BPI mobile. So just simply go to the storage, and then just simply click clear data, and then these apps data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, setting, databases, and other app data. So that's it. So if you clear the data, the BPI mobile application on your devices will be automatically start from the very start where you install it before. So that is how to clear data.